Let us try this example from your worksheet chapter 6, page 2, page 2, question D. So we want to factorize c squared minus d squared over c squared minus 2cd plus d squared divided by 1 over cd plus d squared. So using the 4 steps, let us first factorize the numerators. For the first fraction, the numerator is c squared minus d squared. We notice that we can actually use third algebraic identity to factorize this. So using the third identity, we know that c squared minus d squared is actually equal to c plus d whole bracket c minus d. So let us rewrite the expression for this numerator. So c plus d and c minus d. Next, we take a look at the numerator for the second fraction. We realize that we cannot factorize it further because it's already 1. Now for step 2, let's factorize the denominators. So for the first fraction, notice that the denominator is c squared minus 2cd plus d squared. We notice that for this denominator, we can actually use the second algebraic identity. And for the second algebraic identity, we know that c squared minus 2cd plus d squared is actually equals to c minus d whole bracket square. So let us rewrite this. For the second fraction, we realize that the denominator can be factorized further by taking out a common factor of d. So let us rewrite this expression. So it will be d multiplied by c plus d whole bracket. Now having done step 1 and step 2, let us now try to divide these two fractions together, and we know we need to use the keep, change and flip method. So we keep the first fraction, we change the division to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction. Next, from here, we realize that we can actually divide common factors from the numerator and the denominator. So we know that in the numerator, we have c minus d. And in the denominator, we have c minus d squared. So we can divide these two together. So c minus d divided by c minus d gives us 1. C minus d whole bracket square divided by c minus d, I will get c minus d. Let us check if there are any other common factors that can be divided from the numerator and the denominator. Since there isn't any, now we can actually multiply the numerator together and the denominator together. And this will give us d multiplied by c plus d multiplied by c plus d over 1 multiplied by c minus d, which is also equal to d multiplied by c plus d squared. Hence, we can rewrite c plus d times c plus d as index location over c minus d. So this is how we divide these two fractions together.